morning, Daddy.
Good morning, my dear.
Let's have some breakfast.
You prepared it all?
Yes, Dad.
Okay, let's see.
Here's your Dad.
Emily, I will be leaving for a while. I have something to do.
Okay, Dad. Take care. Look at her toes. She's so beautiful, right?
Can I borrow her?
Yeah, sure.
What is her name?
I don't know, but you can give her a name if you want.
Okay.
Emily,
What
my daughter.
Daddy!
I have something for you.
What is this? Stop, stop, stop.
A rose.
Oh, wait. Thank you, Dad. What's up? What's happening?
Emily!
Daddy! 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 Call the doctor! Toby, call the doctor! Daddy! 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 Hey, Daddy! Come! Daddy!
Emily? Emily? Condolence, Emily.
I understand what you feel.
I'm sorry for your loss. So what are you trying to say? That my father's dead? He's not dead. He's still alive. You should get out! Get out! Leave now my house! My father is not dead. He's not dead. He's not dead. He's not dead.
Emily, are you okay?
Of course I am. Why would it end?
I'm sorry for your loss. I understand what you're feeling.
So what I'm trying to say? That my father's dead? I told you, he's not dead. But he's alive.
But you should
He's
accept
not
the
dead.
reality.
He's not dead.
You should accept the reality, Emily.
Colonel! Yes, ma'am. Go to Mr. Jerson's house and collect his all taxes right now. Yes, ma'am.
A rose for Emily, given by her father.
Toby, what are you doing?
Miss
Who are you? And what are you doing here?
you need to pay all of your taxes because if you can pay it, you leave this house immediately.
I have no taxes in Jefferson, Colonel's attorneys. Explain it to me, or else one of you should give city access and satisfy yourselves.
But we are the city authorities. Miss Emily, you didn't get a notice from the police signed by him.
I received a paper, yes, but he recognizes himself as the sheriff, so I don't have taxes to Jefferson.
But there's nothing on the book to show that.
See, Colonel's attorneys, I have no taxes to
But Miss
Jefferson.
Emily,
I have no taxes in Jefferson. Toby, send them out.
Come on, come on, come on. Miss Emily.
Hello, who's this? I don't care if you're a doctor. My father's not dead. Don't call me again or else.
Emily, we need to get the body of your father.
Miss Emily Grayson, this is your water. Miss Emily, this is your water, big.
Miss, I'm sorry, miss. I'm sorry.
Excuse me, mister. Why are you looking at me?
Nothing. I just want to ask you.
I'm Emily. Are you on?
Homer. Homer died.
Okay.